Hi, I'm Pat McGrew. We are back with another episode of Print Sample TV, live from Copenhagen, or actually on video from Copenhagen in December of 2024. This time, I want to take you on a cruise. And maybe you're thinking, December 2024, cruise, really? A friend of mine has been taking cruises for the last couple of years. It's part of her retirement strategy. One of the things we started talking about was how much print goes into a cruise adventure. So I wanted to tell that story because this may be an opportunity for some of you, not just around cruises, but events, any kind of camping, any kind of road trip. There are so many things that people do in groups that lend themselves to print. So here's the cruise story. On her very first cruise, she was going on Holland America, and they provided a pretty interesting set of brochures. They gave her menus for each day of the week that told her not only what she could eat, but where she could go. If she acquired tickets, they were all in each of the packets that she got for every day. There's information on the back about where to go eat on the ship. So she was taking a repositioning cruise, which is when they're moving the ships around and you get them discounted really well. We were surprised at how well they used print to help everyone on board take advantage of all the things. They did a really nice one called The Basics. This is your basic guide to being a cruiser for the first time, which she was. So it's just the practical things you need to know about how the ship is laid out and where to find things and where your room is and where the elevators are. This is perfect in print because on a ship, not everybody has working Wi-Fi or wants to use their cell plan to be looking to find their way around on the ship. Paper is where it's at. They also give you your room keys, which also happen to provide a lot of information on them. And as she started to become a more experienced cruiser, she started taking other cruises. So her next one, another Holland American line, came with this even bigger package. And if you look at it, what you're going to see is it's everything you need to make your cruise uneventful, unless it's the kind of event you want. So it's all of the guides, a note welcoming her and her husband on the ship. Of course, you need the picture of the ship you're on. This is really kind of cute. It is actually a cup holder that you can put on the desk in your room. It's a map of where you're going. This thing is just chock full. And once again, this was a longer cruise, so it's an encyclopedia of things that are here to tell you what your daily life is going to be like. So think about all of the customers you work with, the kinds of events they do. If they do open houses across multiple sites, if they do road trips to sell their products, think about how you could package up a set of guides, practical advice for everybody who's on board that journey. That's what Holland America did here, and I think they did a wonderful job. Thanks so much for listening. I'm Pat McGrew. This is Print Sample TV. Come back next time.